Okay, so here are our ingredients for our buko salad. We have cut up apples. I decided not to take out the skin because it's so crispy. I love it. Then we have cubes peaches. We have fresh. This is a fresh pineapple. I just cut it into pieces. We have nata de coco, red, and we have the green one right here. And we also have the coconut makapuno string. So we don't have fresh buko, so we're using the makapuno coconut string. We also have the cream, all-purpose cream right here, and I have additional cream densada. It's already cream and condensed, I think, in there. And we have the condensed milk. So first, we have to make sure that we drain the water in each before we're going to mix it up. Alright, let's put I want to put our cream first. That's the all-purpose cream, and this is the creamy sada. This is the creamy sada. Oh, we're condensada already, but I still would like to add a little more of the condense. Just a little bit more. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. Half of it probably, because that's already condensada. And I would like to mix it ahead of time before I'm gonna add it with the fruit. I think my bowl is not enough for everything. Okay, let's add the apple. We have the peach. The fresh pineapple. The buko. Nata de coco. Okay, let's mix it up. I thought our bowl is not enough, but it's just perfect. Yum! This is perfect for any occasion, especially Christmas or New Year. Oh yes. So good. And we're going to chill it for 2 hours, and that should be ready. Here is our final buko fruit salad. I took it out from the fridge after 2 hours. Here is our final buko fruit salad. I hope you had a great time preparing with me. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you all for watching.